side or the other, otherwise you'll cover up somebody's face.
Okay. So you want my back in the chair?
Yeah. That's basically all for the shot.
I think one about the fluids.
For the shot on Thursday, there's going to be a lot of...
The director is going to say, quiet on the set. That means quiet on the set. No talking, no moving, no going outside, etc. Then, when the director is ready, he's going to say, action. Pardon me. He's going to motion towards Kat, who's going to turn the camera on and say, roll in. Then, when the sound is ready, Eric is going to say speed, and then Dexter is going to say action. And a little frazzled, okay? And then that means you have to be very, 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 very quiet until he says cut. And the performers keep performing until he says cut. Understood? Okay.
Do you have any oil or anything of that nature here in the house?
Like WD-40 or like
Oil, anything.
There's also the birds in the foreground.
Let's get a PA over here, please. The fake director needs some coffee.
You need some coffee?
Yeah.
What's your role?
Fake director.
You what?
Fake director.
Fake?
Fake director.
You should just sit there looking like this.
Fake director.
On this picture.
I would have went and got it for you if you could have played it off there.
Pretty straightforward.
Lighting's great.
Alright, so quiet on the set.
quiet on the set, yo.
But she'd be running into all that traffic on her way back to San Francisco.
Just listen to those lovebirds.
Is that our last line?
Yeah.
Alright,
That's the last one.
Great work, good.
alright. Rolling.
Speed.
The bird, scene 1, shot 1B, take 1.
Action. Cut. Great. Play a little more.
Cover your faces! Cover your eyes!
It's too much. It's too much to swing around.
That was great. Let's move on to the next
Yeah, that was
one.
good.
Good work, everybody. That was great.
Who's got to be a stunt person?
That's right.
Yeah.
Day 2.
Casey, do you want to step in as director if Dexter
Casey.
doesn't arrive within the next, 10 minutes?
Yeah, but he'll be here. He's
Okay.
gotta be here. But yeah, if you need me, I'm here.
Okay, sounds good.
We are missing our director. Casey is a possible stand-in. How dare you? Is it gonna put any stress between you guys, you think? You know, you taking... No?
Only strength.
Are you gonna do a double?
Nice,
Are you gonna
nice,
do a double
nice.
name on the credits? Are you?
Hey, it's my birthday today. I've been telling people, but
It's your birthday?
it's my birthday today. I just looked at the date and I was like, oh,
Wow. How old are you?
24.
And it's the 24th.
It's my golden year.
Oh my gosh. That's exciting. We should sing. I would. But I won't sing. And go. Keto, sing.
There he is, the director.
All right, so step on in. We were actually just gonna do the first shot.
Perfect timing. I had a late class.
Oh, it's okay.
It's all right. We've just gone with this substitute.
Okay. So run on over there and look at the footage.
You're cool though? Everything's cool?
Everything's good.
Alright, good.
Less work for me.
Off the set, let's roll.
Scene 1, shot 4, take 1.
Action.
Mitch.
Cut.
Are we in the shot?
We're not, right?
We're not.
We did.
Okay.
You're gonna hang out.
We'll hang out backstage.
In this space.
Remember 2 eyes, we have to drop it down.
It's nice how she's framed in the doorway.
Can we be preparing for something?
Yeah.
Okay, well, everyone needs to be quiet then.
Alright, so quiet on the set.
Quiet on the set.
Is that how it was? Continuity man?
I hope so. I hope so.
We got the continuity supervisor here who light on, light off.
What, bro? Chill out.
Yeah, I like
Okay, it is, yes.
Okay. Alright, so all that needs to be cleaned up.
Ultimately, yeah.
Alright.
See how I was right there? Yeah, it's right.
Okay, group clap, everybody.
Group clap. Woo! Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah!
Oh, that was